there's two kind of sequences, explicit and recursive, and let me just give you a quick little breakdown. Let's take the sequence, an arithmetic sequence, which those are easy to figure out usually. 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. I could define this either explicitly, I'll do that in green, or I could define it recursively. Let's first do explicit. Explicit, if you watched the video previously, explicit is where you find the common difference, for in this case, which is 2, and then you write a formula to get to the nth term based upon n. So this is my first term, n equals 1, n equals 2, n equals 3, n equals 4. How do I get from n to a sub n? Well, what I do with an arithmetic sequence is I start with the first term, which is 1 in this case, and I add the common difference, which is 2, n minus 1 times. That's how I do that. And so simplifying this, you get 1 plus 2n minus 2, which is just 2n minus 1. There's your simplified form, explicit formula. You could have done that many other ways, but that's, in my opinion, the best way to do it. Now let's talk about a recursive definition. A recursive definition is where you define one term based upon the previous term. So notice that I'm defining my nth term based upon the one right before it. That's what the n minus 1 means. It means the one right before n. So if I'm talking about a sub 3, then this term right here is a sub 2, which is the previous term to it. And what do I do each time? Well, I add 2 each time. So the recursive definition for this arithmetic sequence is a sub n equals a sub n minus 1, the previous term, plus 2. That was a simple example, and they get more difficult. We'll look at some more examples later.